Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now it's a Saturday morning and I'm doing a very different type of video for you today, hence the strange camera angles, etc. On the Facebook page In the Kitchen with Pen, we have a lovely little subscriber called Freya, and when I say subscriber, she's under 16. She is not a subscriber, her mum is a subscriber, but Freya is very much part of the team, and she constantly, that's not a wrong word, she often messages me. And earlier this week she messaged me and said, Penny, I found something in a charity shop for you because I know you like this and you can have it with you when you watch your first England game. Well, sadly it didn't arrive in time for the first England game, but it's in time for the second. So my package has arrived today, so let's open it and see what we've got, because there is also something else that Freya saw and she said that might make a really good review video. So let's see what we've got. Oops. Right. And we have got Kevin the Carrot. But obviously it's not Kevin because he's a girl. And she's got a Union Jack dress on. So Freya, she will be sitting with us when we watch every England game from now on. Thank you very much. Freya also told me that she put a drawing and some writing in here. And she said, you may not be able to read it. Right. I may not be able to read that. Look at that beautiful writing. Right. To Auntie Penny and Uncle Steve, and this is how every message starts from Freya. I hope you're okay. I saw this England carrot and got it for you because it's the World Cup and you collect carrots. Yeah, I do. I also got some, some football mini brownies from Iceland. I thought you could do a review. I hope you like them. Sorry if you don't. Love from Freya and Mummy. Isn't that just delightful? And then this is her picture. Oh, that's beautiful. Sorry. Look. Can you see? Review. Come on, Penny, let's do a review. And I'm saying, okay, I'm ready, my sweetheart. How sweet, no pun intended, is that? Freya. Thank you. Oh, have this the right way now. Thank you so much. I have no doubt we will enjoy doing a review on these, and I hope you've all enjoyed seeing what this lovely little Freya sent us, and you'll also tune in for this review. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye for now.